In this part, we are going to render the message. And now we do not need this dummy message, so we can delete this at the check content.js. And we are going to add the use effect to fetch the message. And this is going to the chat collections, and we point to the chat ID. And inside this, we go to the message collections. And if you look at this, you can see we have the message collection. So we go to the chat and go to the ID and go to the message collection. And then we order the message by timestamp with the ascending orders. So the last message will be at the bottom. And then we are going to check the real-time change. And we go to get the snapshot and set the documents. And we loop through the data. And the data, we also add the document ID, and also we want to convert the timestamp so the moment JS can understand. After we already do all of these, we set the message, and this is the array. And every time we change the chat ID, which means every time we click on different people, we should also have different message. So you can see we has not defined the message yet, and so we have to go to create a state, and we set message and save it, and this should be the empty array. And we also haven't import the query function from the file store, so now we have to import them. So we go to the top and import the query and also the where. And now we also have to add the order by. So we have to type order by. And now we can see it has the message displayed inside the chat box. But now you can see no matter you are the sender or the receiver, it will have the same style. For example, we type hi there, and we have not import the document, so we have to add the dot. So we check, it still has the server timestamp haven't been imported. So we go to server timestamp and import from the file store, and we can continue to see whether there is error. The add dot, so we go to the top and add dot. Now we try again. Now you can see both of them has the same style, even this is the owner and this is the receiver, and they should have different style. So we have to change the style by going to the message component, and this is because we haven't set the current user email. So we type constant current user is equal to use of, and we have to import the use of. And now instead of hardcode the email, we have to use the current user dot email, and let's see whether it works. It said the use of haven't been defined. Now you can see if we type at this side, they should have different style. Now you can see both of them have the same message, but they have different style. If this is owner, it will display on the right hand side. If this is received from his friend, it will display on the left hand side.